share about this experiment. You can buy this at DIY Giant. And let's start the experiment now. So I'm gonna pour the water until the sign here. Let's try.
3/4.
Okay, now since I have poured, right, I'm gonna take this one for 3 spoons. In case if I drop, my parents are here. Okay, so I'm gonna take 3 drops of spoons. Now I'm gonna do the next.
Color.
Sorry kids, I'm gonna remove this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I finished 10 drops. I'm going to take the detergent.
How many drops?
10 drops. Okay, stir, agitate. Whoa, everyone, can you see this experiment? It looks fun to do, right? But just as out the doubts, here to open for you, you agitate but you cannot use this by yourself. It's a bit difficult, so my parents are beside me to help. And now I'm gonna add this kind of spoon. I asked my parents to hold for me while I'm adding this because I'm having to.
That's too much. No, man, just put it.
Okay.
1,
2 and 3 spoons.
put it.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put it over here and I'm gonna add it.
Both the spoon. Okay. 4.
Oh, everyone, it's gonna explode in 3, 4. And like this. You can take a look at this experiment. Oh my God, it's gonna jump. Whoa, just like a doodle.
See something?
Everyone, do you like this experiment? Just ask your adults to buy this at DIY shop and Giant. You can find this anywhere but just in DIY Giant. And so you can have so much fun at home. Record with your parents. Do not do by your own. This is with yourself. But if you can do it, just ask for me. Bye.